Ladies and gentlemen, this next match features two of the greatest squash players on this planet. First of all, please welcome our number 5 seed, Mohammed Elshorbagy. And his opponent, 3 times world champion. Please welcome Ali Farag.
Elshorbagy really working that front forehand corner. Didn't feel like Ali Farag got out of those lunges as quick as he normally does. And a nice counter punch from Mohammed Elshorbagy, just punishing
and
that
out 2-1.
Loose trickle boast at the front from Ali Farag. Great combination. Great line from Ali Farag on that backhand side, following it up with lovely touch.
Well, this is quite reminiscent of his opponent that he was playing in his prime, James Wolstrop, last night, hitting his corners, inch perfect, the weight of stroke from Elshorbagy and the variety, Daryl. I mean, he's just stomping away with this.
5-2.
Yeah, it's a start he would have dreamed of, to be honest. Well, we saw this yesterday, Joey. Did mention it just now. Ali Farag started a little bit slowly in his match, but he has done today, but he's very quickly found his feet, found his length, got himself planted on that tee again. Now starting to twist and turn. Elshorbagy, what a rally.
Farag is starting to look that's good. It's a good rally. It's a terrific rally in the crowd, obviously, on the edge of their seats. Really appreciating that rally from these two. Read it. That's a bit of a sitter, and he's got punished for it. The leisure centre post came in, which was lethal. Farag there, that was the response from that. This is not good for Mohammed at all. Keeps shaking his leg, and it won't go away because it's probably a small tear in the fibre.
Well, can he find a way to eke out this game?
This is...
And out,
10-9,
game ball.
Ali Farag can't serve quick enough. He's got game ball. Elshorbagy playing off the left leg. It's going to be a nightmare. He's looking.
11-9, game
sure.
to Farag. Farag leads.
Physio
One
will be
game
going
to
straight
love.
over, and she does. 12 minutes, and Ali Farag taking that first game, but Mohammed Elshorbagy is in serious trouble here. So Ali Farag has got to focus on what he's about. Can't get too distracted with what's going on with Mohammed. Well, Farag's...
Oh, he's got it.
I don't know how he's got that. I mean, that is... What is this ridiculous? It's like a grasshopper out there, Farag.
Read it as well. How did he hang in that rally, Joey?
I really don't know.
Do we need card service or?
The reverse angle, as Mohammed
Now
is calling it,
1-4.
which is obviously the legitimate name, but we like to spice it up a bit with the leisure centre post. He does like it. Obviously not that popular over in Germany. Sure they'll catch on.
Oh, great squash. Just pumping Ali Farag into that back forehand corner. 3 point for Mohammed Elshorbagy. Not sure many would have predicted this at the end of that first game. I certainly wouldn't. Oh, that's quality. What a lob. How's he got that back? That's top-class squash from Mohammed Elshorbagy.
7-1.
Absolutely exquisite lob.
Never forget the Treasure Island scenario with his actual coach, Gregory Gaultier, who actually did a job on Mohammed with one leg.
11-2. Game to Elshorbagy. 1 game old.
Are we seeing Treasure Island Part 2 here in London? Barking away at himself, and he's up for it because he's just won the second game in just 6 minutes, 11-2.
Great movement from both players. Elshorbagy hanging on a little bit here. Farag finding his range.
Elshorbagy feeling the effects, and Ali Farag is basically producing the squash we saw at the back end, mid-stage of the first game. Oh no, it's gone. You see that?
Yeah, there was a big lunge into that front corner.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh, he's got it though.
Oh! Every time he does that big lunge on the right leg, he's still going. He's still
What a
going.
rally! He's got it. This is epic, Joey.
Oh. Farag takes it. That is a great rally. I mean, Mohammed Elshorbagy is in a tangle.
Hand out. 7-4.
He's more than competing with Ali Farag. He's only 3 points behind.
It's Farag in a great position, 2 points away.
I didn't know how it stayed in, but
Oh, how'd he get that?
don't know. Do not know. And he squeezed him. I mean, he's hobbling around like there's no tomorrow. And he squeezed him on the sidewalk. Elshorbagy hanging in. He's
Hand out. 6-9.
dug himself a massive pit. Closing the court down well. I mean, Ali Farag has got to be beyond sharp now because Elshorbagy's closing it down brilliantly. He's utilising his skill set, soft touch, and into the sidewalk.
7-9.
3 match balls for Farag. Wow.
Down.
Oh, unbelievable.
11-7
What an
match to
effort. Unbelievable effort.
2 games
Terrific
to 1.
from Mohamed Elshorbagy. Fantastic. Ali
11-9.
Farag
2-11.
just seeing off the
11-7.
beast. A nice chat afterwards, but what an effort there from Mohamed Elshorbagy. Talk about getting on with it when your body's breaking down. 37 minutes, 2-1 victory for the number 2 seed, Ali Farag.